In this video, we will talk about your first assignment, which is to choose a research question and some search terms that you will use in this class for each of your assignments until the final project, where you will create a bibliography of resources that will answer your research question. So when you're thinking about a research question, you want to think about what's too broad and what's too narrow and what's just right. So the topic that I'm interested in is environmentalism. So that's going to be my subject. I'm going to narrow that down a little bit more to something that is a little bit more narrow, global warming. And I need to narrow that down even more to a specific aspect of global warming. I can't just write about global warming, that could be a whole book. So a narrower aspect of global warming might be the human effect on global warming. Okay, so if I'm going to take these and make these into broad or narrow questions, research questions, a question that would be too broad would probably be something like, what is global warming? That's just too big. But a question that would be too narrow would be, do humans have an effect on global warming? And that's too narrow because the answer is yes or no. Similarly, if you can answer a question with a statistic, like how many people are cited for drunk driving every year, that can be answered with one number. You want to have a research question that can be explored. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make my just right question into, how do humans affect global warming? And when I look at this, I can see that I have some key words here that I would use for searching for information on my topic. I have global warming, I have humans, and some other words for global warming might be climate change. Another word for humans might be people. And if I want to get really broad, I might do causes, as in, what are the causes of global warming? So notice that how all of my search terms relate to my just right question. That is what I am looking for.